English reading for beginners. English letters: A, B, C, D, F, G, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W. Letters and sounds. Letter A, sound A. Letter B, sound B. Letter C, sound K. Letter D, sound D. Letter F, sound F. Letter T, sound T. Letter H, sound H. Letter L, sound L. Letter M, sound M. Letter N, sound N. Letter P, sound P. Letter R, sound R. Letter S, sound S. Letter G, sound G. Letter V, sound V. Letter W, sound W. Letter Z, sound Z. Letters CH, sound Ch. Ban, can, fan, san, jan, lan, man, tan, pen, ran, when, van, nan, an, dan, clan, gran, flan, scan, span, plan, bran, than, sworn. When we see two letters DH, we put our tongue between our teeth and pronounce the or th. Then. Sworn. W plus A. War. Sworn. Thanks for watching.